Well, if you're here to find out how to make a drone shot or how to add a cloud effect, you're in the right place. So first, you're gonna want your drone shot. Then you're gonna want a picture of a cloud, probably one that will has a pretty blue background, so you can key it out. Then you select the clip that you want to add the picture to your drone shot, and then you're gonna want to make it a compound clip. Then click your clip of the cloud, then drag it above your drone shot, then add the keying effect. That will get rid of all the blue, but you're probably going to want to turn down the spill level so it doesn't change any of your other colors. Then you're going to want to move it into place. Then when you find where you want it, you're going to add the keyframe button. When you click the keyframe button, then you're just going to want to use a point on the cloud to where you can a point of reference. So then you can use that to line up your shot perfect. And then it's probably gonna be too quick of a shot, so you're not gonna really notice anything. That's how you do it. Have a good day.